welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Wednesday I said I didn't trust the bongs, and it turns out to prove me right. So we're just gonna get straight into the charts. We're starting with the S&P 500. So here is where we had that price came into this little demand area here, and price pushed up, but I didn't trust it. I call it. Go on my last video and you would see me call it out, and I marked this area right here where this gap is, and I say I would like to see price come down into in here, and that's what's price doing exactly. Will I take any trade here? No. If you want, you can. I'm not gonna take any trade on the S&P 500 as I'm currently in a position already, and I'm happy not to hold this over the weekend as it's just moved into the zone. But we would see how it play out. We would wait till Monday, see, maybe we get in. I mean, you could get in with a small position now if you'd like. Go over to gold, nothing, still that area there, nothing on gold. Silver, far away from where I would like to see it, so nothing on those. Russell, still nothing. Probably could come into this zone right here, right where we're looking at here. So could look for the Russell to come in. Let's see, into this demand zone right here. Take out this, drop in, and continue moving. But as of now, nothing is there. I'll just move this. This is just to show I was wrong and for me to journal my trades. Okay, happy. Nikkei. So we had this bounce and pull up. I didn't take it or anything, but I'm favoring this chart. Also we got a little gap in here, so I'd like to see it push down more and fill this gap. I could be wrong, but that's what I would like to see at the moment. So we would see how Monday, well, Sunday, Monday, how the chart plays out, and if I get anything comes into here, then I'll take this. Same here again, don't trust it. Let's see what happened. We got a little, well, not really a gap, but yeah, still don't trust this, so we're waiting on the side to see. Nasdaq coming right where I would like it, so I just need it to come down into in here, and I'll show you. This is what I'm looking at. Leg in, leg out. So I'm looking for it to tap right in here, cover the lows, and we will see. This is a trade you could possibly take. It's totally up to you, so I'm still waiting. Favor the Nasdaq more, so I'll wait for it to come in here. So let's put on an alert. We'll put an alert here, so once I get close, I don't know if to take it or not. I'll look at the arrival and see the strength of it, or if it's really weak, and then we'll go from there. The US 30. So I'd mark these two zones out, this one and this one. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold. As I say, I don't like it, so maybe it hold, maybe it doesn't. I'm not gonna take anything here. As you can see, I want the Nasdaq to come lower, so possibly this may come lower and tap into this zone below here. So I'm just keeping this for data purposes, just to keep this, so next time if I see it pop up again, and for journaling, if I see it pop up again, I don't know what to do if it doesn't come to this zone. But I prefer the lower zone, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm not in a rush. UK 100, nothing here. I didn't get anything here. Possibly a short. Well, not really a short. I'm looking for a long on it. But if a short do set up a quick little short, like a 1 to 2, I'll take it. But at the moment, nothing is here that I like. For me, what I'm looking for, nothing is here. But if it comes on here, I'll long it. If it gives me a break retest here, I'll take it. Why I don't like it, it came in, push up bullish. Yes, we get this sell off. I don't know if it's now tapping into a demand zone. See, it came back into this zone again. So I don't like these type of trade, because these either consolidate or go against me, so I don't touch them. I'm currently in this at the moment. It's running. I'm at break even. So I'll show you this. On the weekly, it could come all the way down to this demand area here. On the daily, I'm just looking at it. As I say, most of my trades I'm looking for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. This is currently at a 1 to 2 at the moment, I think. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it hit 1 to 2 already, so that's not bad. I think it still have more it could go. Earliest I might get out is, if you could see this purple line, I'll probably get out there. If it's showing real weakness and going, I'll try to hold it a bit longer. But yeah, German 30, I got a 4R in this. I still believe it could come lower, but due to the market is closing, and you know, I didn't want to hold it longer than 4R. Who wouldn't take that? I didn't take German 40 because it came right into the gap and fell away. So I had a position here, but I moved it higher. But oh, I was in 30 already, so I'm happy. And 4R, who's complaining? Anything on oil? I marked this. I was gonna show oil, but I didn't like it, so I didn't touch it. We're still in coffee. It's just running. You know, nothing's wrong. Copper. We're still waiting for copper to come down to this weekly demand here. I'm waiting. I'm not in a rush. Could either come there or here. Probably, but yeah, I doubt that. Could probably come back right here and then move away. But as I say, based on my data, when I take these zones, it have a tendency of stopping me out, so I say I'll just wait till the lower zone. If it push back in here, I'll probably short it down, probably take a quick short, but the real big move is the long. I'm waiting on the long. Let's go across to the majors, the FX majors. GU, this is what I'm looking for, still a bit away. EU, we're almost there. This is what we're looking at. I'm looking at this trade. I would take it based on what the futures do. So I'm watching the futures come up. It's almost near my zone. I have alert here. So once I get alert, then I'll set it. Then I'll value the trade, see what I think about it still. Okay, it's already tapped into this. I'm worried about this demand it came into, but it's still showing lots of signs of weakness, so possibly come all the way down here, so here and back here, but we'll see. We would monitor it. AU, we just sat in this trade, nothing is happening. Yeah, this is running away. NZD is running away. I never go out retest an NG, so once it tap here, I won't even look at it again. UJ, so I wanted to short UJ, but I didn't get what I'm looking for, so I was looking at, came here, break this low. I wanted to break this low solid and push back, and not on the no low time frame break, like solid break, but I didn't get that. It probably can tap and start moving away, but I want to see a solid break, so I wanted to see that, this, yeah, something like that, like a 1 to 2 trade, because that is going against the trend, so it wouldn't be a big trade. It probably still come back up on top and drop, but we would monitor it. USDCAD, that's a massive sell-off we got there. Yeah, CHF, we're waiting down here. We're gonna wait on this long. We're not gonna rush. Possibly you could find like a little short in between here if you're a scalp or anything. I don't know. I swing trade, so just pull box here. So price could then move back in and continue moving lower, but I won't risk it because I don't scalp or swing trade, and I can't sit at the chart all the time because I work. So I only take like, in my day, I'll look at the chart for 20 minutes, or like after work I'll look at the chart. So possibly we could get something like, yeah, back here, but we see what happened. This bad boy we didn't get in, but we'll wait for the long, see if we get a long here. Wait, gone a lot here. So the US Singapore dollar, so we're waiting. This might be a runner. So cause this moves as well, it really moves. So we're gonna wait on that. One I got as well on a crosspair is GBPJPY. So I'm looking for price to move in here. It's lining up with the GBPUSD, giving some strength to move in here, and here as well, GBPCAD as well. These are the two I'm looking at. I was looking at EURUSD. I marked it out, but I didn't take it due to I'm noticing GBP have more strength to go up. So I don't trust this yet fully. If I miss it, it's okay. I'm okay with missing the trade. Euro GBP. This is a weekly supply zone up there. So if it comes up, I'll probably short it, but I'm not gonna touch it for now because it's not giving me any clear direction. So I'm not gonna touch anything there. Right, guys. Thank you for joining the video. This was just a short weekly wrap up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm, it helps people see the video. Also comment what chart you would like me to look at. Comment, like, share, tell me what you would like to see. If there's a chart you're looking at and I'm not looking at it, just bring me onto the chart, put it in the comments and I'll answer every comment as well. So thank you and see you next week. Hope you had a safe trading.